Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda and I am here today to announce the winner of August's giveaway. Yay! So, I'll just refresh your memory. So you're going to receive, the winner, lucky winner is going to receive Peyton's Smoothie DK, and it's pinks and greys and that. So you're going to get, and it's 100 grams, and a 4mm hook and needle, and it's 100% acrylic, and there's 200 meters, which is about 225 yards, maybe a bit less. So you've got 3 of these. Then you've got a 4mm hook, and you've got, as always, I always give you a few little bits of notions. Let me see. So you're going to get a notebook, as my beautiful V says, a notebook, a pen, a couple of tapestry needles, and a little container which you can add your stitch markers, but you also get some stitch markers in here. So guys, without further ado, let's go over to the computer and pick August's winner. Yay! Okay guys, so we're on the August yarn giveaway video, and as you can see, I've highlighted the link and I've actually put the link in there. And then what we need to do is filter for duplicate users, filter comments, and it was Peyton's, P-A-T-O-N-S, and I did spell it out for you guys. So, and we need to do the sum, which is 11. Good luck everybody. Let's get to see how many comments there are. 210. Wow guys, thank you so much. So guys, I'm going to pick the winner. Good luck everybody, and thank you to everybody who entered. Pink Opal 11.95. Very nice Peyton's colourway. Thank you for the giveaway. Gorgeous star blanket on the couch behind you. Well, thank you so much. Pink Opal 1195. Now guys, I need to check that she's a subscriber, so I'm going to check, and I'm going to stop it here, and I'll just need to check. I'll come back and show you whether she's subscribed to me or not. And as you can see, Pink Opal is definitely subscribed to me. Yay! So congratulations, Pink Opal. Congratulations, Pink Opal 1195. Congratulations. What you need to do now is to email me at this address here. Okay, you have 7 days, so you have until the following Tuesday, which is the let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, the 6th. You've got until the 6th of September to contact me with your home address, so that I can get your prize off to you. If you don't contact me within the 7 days or before the 6th of September, then I will have to pick another winner. So thank you everybody who has entered August's giveaway. Don't forget, first Tuesday of September, which is in fact the 6th of September, we'll have September's giveaway, and it's a little bit special because it's my birthday month. So thank you to all of you. I only wish I could give each and every one of you a little prize, but I'm unable to, and the postage is horrendous that it is. So anyway, thank you for subscribing to my channel, for leaving all the thumbs up, the comments, and just for being here, guys. Thank you. So until next time, congratulations once again to Pink Opal 1195. Do get in touch with me. You've got till the 6th of September to contact me with your home address via email, which the email address is in the description box below. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye, everyone. Take care. I've got it all mixed up, haven't I, guys? I'm just so excited for Pink Opal. And there's pink in the yarn, so maybe she does like pink. So it couldn't have gone to a nicer, you know, somebody who loves pink. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Mwah. Bye for now.